Hi, this is Leslie. I'm one of the designers at Earthworks. I am on a little job that we did, I guess we're in the Avondale area. Some of these smaller projects for me, I love them because it's a cozy space. These folks just really wanted to kind of zen out their backyard. This is going to be a really low maintenance, easy to care for landscape. They've got a couple little smooshy faced dogs that are super cute. So we did an area canine turf for them. So a lot of benefits for that. No mowing, no weeding. The dogs are not going to dig holes in it. It's easy to clean up. They can just hose it off. So we've got a nice little area for the pups, and then the only maintenance they're going to have to do is some occasional weeding in their beds. As I've mentioned in other videos, I like to reuse plants that people already have. So over in the corner, we've got a white bird of paradise that they had in a pot. So we got that out of the pot and stuck it in the corner for them. They love their Buddha statues, so instead of sticking Buddha in the corner, focal point from the porch in the back of the house is just a straight shot across the pool. So I centered him back here. We did a beautiful queen palm that'll provide some shade, and then just kind of a nice Zen rock garden. So sometimes less is more in your landscape, and then just kind of back it up with some beautiful plantings. Oh look, there's a little bird that just flew by. We've got some layers in here, lime sizzlers in the back. That's going to give them some year-round color. Chrysandras, we just want to do layers of pollinators and color. We love the muley grass back here. The butterfly sculpture was there, so we wanted to keep that as a focal point for them. And then back along the fence here, some bottlebrush tree, just kind of eat up some of that space. And then just kind of notched out a nice little area for this double robolini, and then they had another little statue that they stuck back there. So the whole idea was low maintenance for them, just a zen, peaceful place where they could come out and enjoy their backyard with little maintenance. So if you're from the porch side looking out, it really cozied up the space. So we're super happy with the way that this came out.
Earthworks has been completely amazing. This is the second house that we've used Earthworks to create our backyard oasis. This time they just really hit the nail on the head. Leslie completely understood our vision and created a Zen atmosphere for us to just completely enjoy and relax. The design, the workers, everything has just been top-notch, and we can't be more grateful. Hopefully this will be our forever home, but if we ever do move, we'll be using you guys again. Earthworks is the most amazing company ever.
If you like what you see today, give us a call. We can help you with all your landscaping needs. You do not have to do a giant project to use us. I love these little spaces. You can come see us at our retail location, 12501 Beach Boulevard. Like and share our videos. You can comment. We've got YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. We are here for you for all your landscaping needs. We are one-stop shopping. We hope you like what you saw today. What did you want me to say? Do it all for you. We are. All right. We hope you like what you.